Make sure to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell to receive helpful tips on how to relieve pain. If you have any questions, put it in the comment section down below.
Brian Jones. I had lumbar fusion anterior posterior with instrumentation of S1, and currently I am extremely restricted throughout the whole torso for extension and flexion of thoracic, lumbar, cervical area. Everything on the right side feels stuck and
When did you have the surgery? Now we are in July, so it's 3 months. After the surgery, have you had any treatment and what kind?
I'm having concurrent physical therapy for probably the last month, times a week. They're doing thoracic mobilizations, anterior, posterior, flexor, release, stretching, foam exercises for thoracic mobility.
You still have limitation in the range of motion.
A lot of discomfort during the motion and in range.
How much pain from 0 to 10?
It can go as high as 5 or 6.
Okay. Is there any other symptoms you have, or you just feel it in the thoracic area at the back?
From the neck to the shoulder, into the front here, all the way through like the back area, the lats, the side here, rotation, that's tight, limited. I can feel the pull. Yeah.
So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna do the range of motion in front of the camera. When you get to the limitation, you give me a number 0 to 10.
Okay.
In worst pain. Okay? All right, let's stand up and do the motion that's aggravated.
This is about it right here.
This is as far as you can go down.
Going forward.
Just mark on your legs. You're really limited.
Yes.
So that's your range of motion. How long do you have the PT for?
Probably 4 weeks.
4 weeks.
Okay.
Okay. So like your knees.
About there.
And where do you feel the tightness? In the back, how much?
Like the 3.
Okay. What other motion limited?
That's it right there. I get a pull. Yeah, more so up in here. Going down.
Side,
What's that?
the other side, can you rotate?
A little better, but still limited, yeah.
Okay. And your chest to your shoulder. Let's see your range of motion for your shoulder. It's more on the right side.
Pulling right there.
Yeah.
I feel it right through here.
How much limitation from 0 to 10?
Like a 4, and it's popping now.
Oh, would breathing.
I feel a little constricted through the chest. I'm doing thoracic exercises for lung expansion. Deep breath, my right side's not expanding.
Expanding, yeah, okay. What about your neck range of motion?
The neck rotation is right there.
That's limited.
I feel a pull right in all there. On that side.
Oh, this is not bad actually. Better to this side.
This is like
an extension.
This is actually better than for extension right there.
What's your background?
I'm a physical therapist. Dr. Jones is the patient.
We'll get you better.
Thank you.
So, flexion extension.
Pulling right back here, right where the shoulder blades are.
The treatment should not aggravate your symptoms.
Good.
Okay, we start
The pull is going.
up. It's more higher up.
You got it.
In general, your normal range of motion, you were able to touch the floor. Or
Before all this junk, I was able to touch the floor, palms flat with both hands.
because you have rod in the back.
That ain't gonna happen.
That's what never happens. Okay. So I know you're gonna have restriction, but I don't know how much restriction. How many did you diffuse?
That was it. Was L5S1. That was it.
Okay, that's good. I can do a couple things and we'll see how far we can get you now.
Absolutely.
Let's have a seat.
Sure.
Okay, let's go forward that.
No. Feels good. Oh, that feels
Oh,
good.
man. This thing?
That's the good one.
Really? We'll get some more to do here.
I had lupus, but in the surgery before I started leukocytosis, my body was in constant inflammation, so they had to treat me for that as well. Okay.
So this way to make sure everything works together to heal.
Well, it's getting better right now.
How does it feel now?
Better. You sure you want it? Okay. For the back. Yeah, that's all. No, where are you going?
Is that painful?
No, it's 10. Go.
Sorry. I gotta do all this stuff.
So, go.
Let's go forward. Is that painful here?
No, you're good.
Let's stand up and bend forward until we have this here. Working the legs. How's that?
Even better.
Okay. Let me do one more thing and see if we can go further.
You sure you want to go back to that guy?
You are?
Go for it.
We're gonna get
To me, it stretches the same pressure.
It's a lot of fun.
tell you after this what we're gonna work on. There's more work on here. Okay, how's that? You want to touch the floor leg? We'll not try to do that.
No problem.
No, we don't want that.
I'll take what I'm getting right now. We're good.
You stop when you feel restriction, okay?
Yes. Yes.
Yeah, I don't think you're gonna touch the floor because the rod, but I wanna know your hardware limitation. I'm gonna know today. Okay. Stand up. Bend forwards. 1 second. Okay. How is that? Touch your legs. How you feel?
The limitation is my hamstring,
Not your back.
not my back.
That's
Pull
cool.
in the back, pull right behind the popliteal fossa.
Okay, so move your shoulder again and tell me how that feel and your chest. How's that?
Good, increased range.
Okay, the chest breathing.
A lot more expansion already.
You can have a seat. All right, tell me, what do you think about the ASTR?
Wow. More gains in the last 20, 30 minutes than 4 weeks of physical therapy and all manual techniques. I can feel the pulling, that tightness is alleviated.
Just one treatment, you get that range of motion. All right, okay, thank you so much. Thank you. Appreciate it. Make sure to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell to receive helpful tips on how to relieve pain. If you have any questions, put it in the comment section down below.